This matters specifically for financial independence because the barriers to creating income-generating products just collapsed. Before AI tools became accessible, creating a workbook required writing skills or hiring a writer for thousands of pounds. It required design skills or hiring a designer. Total costs often reached up to £3,500, plus a significant time investment of 20 to 40 hours. This meant only people with capital could compete. This meant only people with capital or expertise could create products efficiently, but now that has changed. After AI tools, creating the same workbook requires ChatGPT or Claude for content generation and outline. It requires Canva for design. Your expertise handles the direction, editing, and quality control. Time investment 4 to 8 hours. Total cost next to nothing plus a condensed timeline. The barrier isn't gone. You still need to know what to create, but the technical execution barrier collapsed. Someone with knowledge and no technical skills can now compete with someone who spent years learning copywriting. This democratization creates opportunity for people previously locked out, especially women who grew up with scarcity. Traditional wealth building required capital to start. Storefront businesses needed a £50,000 investment. Even online businesses required thousands for website development, professional content, and marketing materials. The entry cost excluded most people who grew up with scarcity. You can't invest £10,000 you don't have. Digital products and AI tools changed the equation. The actual cost to launch is now less than a phone bill. Total monthly cost, £0 to £45. Someone working a regular job can build a side income stream. This means someone working a regular job can build a side income stream for less than a monthly phone bill. The product is digital, so there's no inventory cost. Create it once, sell it infinitely. This is the first time in history that wealth-building tools have been this accessible to people without capital. The barrier isn't money anymore. The barrier is believing you have something valuable to sell. That's a mindset barrier, not a resource barrier. AI didn't solve the mindset barrier, but it removed the excuse that you can't afford to start. Wealth is engineering, not effort. Build quietly.